Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to access Binance from the US. First, understand that direct access to Binance.com is generally restricted for users located in the United States due to regulatory compliance. Instead, US residents typically use Binance US, a distinct platform designed to comply with American laws. It is important to recognize these differences to ensure you are using the correct and legal service. Binance US operates under strict US regulations, providing a legal way for American citizens to trade digital assets. While it offers a secure and compliant environment, its selection of available cryptocurrencies is generally smaller compared to the global Binance.com platform. To use Binance US, you will need to complete a thorough identity verification process, including providing US identification and proof of your current address. If Binance US does not meet your specific trading needs, many other reputable and regulated cryptocurrency exchanges are available to US customers. Platforms like Coinbase, Kraken, and Crypto.com are widely used and offer a variety of features. It is wise to compare their trading fees, the range of available assets, and their security protocols before choosing the best platform for your investments. When engaging with any cryptocurrency platform, always prioritize your security. Enable two-factor authentication and use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. Remember that all cryptocurrency transactions, including trades and sales, have tax implications, so keep accurate records. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Staying informed and secure is key to a positive experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.